this is Reese TV and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. Today I'm going to be showing you around my world. As I told you, I was making a secret base, underwater base, but I haven't done a video in a long time, and I made this. This is my main bit. That's my police station. This is my hospital. This is my bank. This is one of my mini games. This is my special room. Inside of it, as you can see, there's Ender Dragon heads, and then if you go inside of it, there's a wither skeleton skull, and we've got this. And we've got Dragon's Breath, and this is an Ender Crystal, by the way. This is a Nether Star. We've got Nether Star. There was an Ender Dragon egg here, but I tapped it and it's teleported away. An Ender Pearl, and we've got an enchanted golden apple. I was going to do a golden apple, but I thought an enchanted one's way more better, surely. So, and I've got this roller coaster. And I got that. This was the first thing I ever built. Okay. This is one of my iron golems. Hello. Sorry about hitting you. And I made this over here. And tell me if I showed you this or not, but I've got a giant furnace here. And if you go over here, as you can see, I got this. I made this in creative, as you can see, because how much damage there is. And I made this in creative because I defeated the weather. But I had to go into creative because I didn't have good enough weapons, and I was destroying everything. I was killing all my sheep, and then I destroyed all this, and it was coming over here to go and destroy all this. So then I thought I've got to kill it. So I went in creative, and by the time I came back, I was way out of sea over here. And I went over here on top of these diamond blocks, and I had to kill it. And I blew it up and died. Why is there a creep over here? Okay, so now I've kind of showed you everything. Now I'm going to move on to all the better stuff. This stuff is not the best stuff I've ever built. I built something better. I'm quite quick builder. So I built a few more things. I built this big cage where you can have lots of wee fighting and lots of chests have some good stuff in it. This is my invisible maze. Hasn't really loaded in yet. So as you can see, you have to do that, but it takes quite a while and I'm wasting time a bit. Okay, so this tree just hasn't loaded in. If you're wondering why it's all black, because it's all smoke. There we go. This is my best build ever. So basically, this is an animal paradise. This is the only dog paradise. This is the only cat paradise. Well, I do have a few dogs down here. Is that my tins? No, I just chop off here. This is Barnaby, and this is Bedbean. Okay, so that's my castle. This is my mansion. This is where my nether portal is. I'm going to show you my nether portal in the next video. This is my park. I've got a giant statue of myself, I've got a giant statue of Steve, and I've got a giant statue of Mario. But as you can see, I changed skin into an Enderman suit, and this is what I really look like. And I can fly. Because in creative you can fly, but also in survival. So if I go to settings, please be quick game, and I switch to survival. Just make sure I've got my wings on. Oh, that was close. Okay, so you get wings, and then you jump over a high building, and press that. Ow, sorry. Sorry about that. That wasn't a very good one. Okay. Settings, creative. Okay. So if I go all the way up to the top of here, as you can see, it's very, very high. So if I keep going, oh, I'm running out of time. We're actually kind of running out of time here. Okay. So, settings, survival. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! As you can see, I'm flying. You might think I'm falling because you can't stay in the sky for that long. And as you can see, I'm trying to land down here. And that's how you fly. Ah! Oh, wait. Okay, and we're nearly running out of time, so I'm going to switch to creative. So this goes quick. I will do this in survival. I want to get this done. So I showed you all that, haven't I? So now I'm going to move on to this. Oh God, we're going to run out of time soon. So basically, this isn't going to be a thing, like a racing car thing. Pick dice. Okay, I need pick dice. Is that right? Pick dice? Yes, pick dice. So basically, if I do this, pick dice doesn't melt, I think. And I'm going to need some white wool. Please be quick. Please be quick. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna watch this video after and see how long I actually had left. And when I started panicking. Okay. Because I never really actually panic like this. It's only when I'm doing videos I sometimes panic. But this is my first time panicking during a video, and it's quite embarrassing. Okay, so if I do this, and go like down like this, and it goes like this, and then it goes. You have to kind of turn. It's going to be a black roll here. And like this. I'm really going to have to make this go up like that. This goes like this. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put it here because I'll be blocking the track. Like this. Okay. Oh, I'm just going to end the video here. I don't know if we ran out of time. I can't even remember. But I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Right, oh god. Bye.